You can send the video clips and live feeds in your TVU search results to an IP destination or your social media accounts. To take a feed live, just click on the Take Live button to see a list of possible outputs, from receivers to IP destinations and social media accounts that have been used previously. If you need to add a new output destination, click Add along the bottom of the window and select the type of output you would like to use. You can select any of the industry standard formats that TVU supports, as well as the most popular social media services. Simply fill out the required information for each new output, and you will see it added to the list of possible destinations for your grid feed or clip. Click the sliders to the right to activate any of these outputs, or click the slider to the left to deactivate it. When you take a feed live, you have options for how long you want to use the feed. You can either choose a fixed amount of time through the drop-down menu, or you can keep the feed live until it is ended by the feed provider. The feed will go live using TVU's cloud-based producer service, and you can either reuse an existing producer program or have Search create a new one for you. Click Start and the feed will be sent to the destination through TVU Producer. Creating a new program for this feed will take a couple of minutes to start up, and once the program is running, you can work with it in Producer just like any other program. You can open the Producer program by clicking on the pop-out icon. The live feed you selected in Search will show up in your program in one of the input source slots, and it will be sent to the outputs you selected in TVU Search. You can monitor your live feeds in TVU Search by clicking on this icon, which opens a new panel where you can add time or stop any feed as needed.